Hello traders, this is Marek from Trading Academy. I am really glad to welcome you at this video because this video is kind of special. We will go through special strategy called swing strategy with Horizon. If you want to let your money work meanwhile you are doing something else, stay here because we will show you how we are doing that. Before we will start, just fast introduction who we are. We are a team of professional traders. We trade stocks, futures, forex and cryptocurrencies. And we have people experienced more than 10 years in trading industry as a professional proper ones. In this video we will show you one of the technique we are using for our swing trades, so it will be very interesting for you. And if you will be more interested in our Horizon swing strategy, just smash the link below this video, and after filling the form you will be invited to our webinar, which is interactive and you can ask there any question you want. Be ready for a lot of information for free. We will show you one of our patterns. We are trading successfully on all the markets, and alliances we are working with that pattern. So definitely use this opportunity and don't hesitate to ask there any question you want. Also, if you will have any question during this video, just put your question in the comment section below, and please hit the like button if you find this video valuable. Also, I would like to remind you that we put on our socials like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter very valuable content, our trading content like weekly results with real money and real trades. The trades breakdowns, how we are entering the position and exiting the trades successfully, and also important articles for your trading development, like different kind of techniques we are using, and important articles about the situation on the markets in general. So definitely don't hesitate, just subscribe us right now. So I believe this is all in the moment for the beginning. Don't waste time and let's go directly to our Horizon swing strategy.
Before we'll start, we need to look at the structure of this video, and today we will start with defining swing strategy, that you will have an idea what I mean by that, and then we will look at our unique strategy Horizon X, swing trading with Horizon, and then we'll move to real-time charts examples. So stay here to find out more. First, what is swing strategy? Swing strategy is a middle-term trading style that requires keeping your trades open for several days. It's ideal for those who can't monitor the charts throughout the day but can dedicate a little time for analyzing the markets. This is probably best suited for those who have full-time jobs or have school to attend, but they have a little time for the chart analysis. Swing strategy solves your problem with time demanding. Swing trading attempts to identify swings within a medium-term trend and enter only when there is a high probability that this trend will continue. For example, here there is an uptrend. You see that market is creating higher highs here and higher lows here. So moving with that direction. This is our uptrend, and with that we would like to speculate on uptrend continuation. But how to do that? For that we need swings, and swing is exactly this kind of movement here, like a swing, and this is first swing, then we have second swing, and then we have continuation. So meaning that we can enter ideally at this higher low, and then we can speculate on continuation of uptrend. Let's look at the same situation but for downtrend. The price is creating lower low and lower high, and again going down to create lower low. So in that case we have first swing. This one is our first swing to be identified by our mighty tool for defining trend, our swings, where we would like to open the trade, ideally at its lower highs, and speculate with the main direction. The price will fall again, and we have the biggest probabilities that we will make more money in that case. So I have this example GPUSD for our time frame. Why for our time frame? Because this is one of ideal time frame for swing trading strategy, and I will show you why. For that period of time, you see that GPUSD is moving with certain price direction, and for a whole month, let's say. I would like to ask you now the question: what is the main direction, and do you see there any swing? Just please answer for yourself, maybe loudly, and then I will answer your question or this question. And of course, our main direction is up. You see that GPUSD appreciated since that time from around the price 1.28 till 1.36. Nice opportunity to make money there. And how we can use it, our swings for opening trades. You see that uh, the currency pair is creating higher high and then lower high. So our ideal entry point would be here, and then the currency pair again creating new higher high, which is higher than previous high. It's very important for defining the trend. And now this is our selling point, ideally to sell. And here we will buy again at higher low. And then we seen this accelerated movement. We have another higher high and higher low here, another higher high here, and false breakout, which actually can happen, but we have higher high. False breakout strategy, how to use it in line with swing trading, I will show you at webinar. It's very interesting strategy, how you can boost your deposit, and this is why you should not miss this webinar. So don't forget at this and subscribe to webinar for sure. Just from this example, you see that how it is kind of easy from historical point of view to find your exit and entry points. But in reality, if you don't know any strategy how to set up your main direction and your entry and exit points, it's very hard. And this is why we are doing this webinar for you, and we will look at the strategy, how you can use it for your boosting your deposit via swing trading with Horizon. As you may know, our Horizon trading strategy works perfectly with other markets and with very fast time frames, like 1 minute or 5 minute time frames. However, our Horizon system also nails swing time frames like 1 hour, 4 hour, even daily. Horizon swing strategy has clear and objective rules. It identifies big buyers and sellers and helps to realize where stop losses are accumulated. In other words, Horizon strategy detects the direction at the best spots where to enter the markets and close your trades. Trade with the main flow. First, we need to spot the flow of smart money, and then we can speculate on the direction. How can we find the direction of the flow of smart money? This is a really good question. And simple answer. We need to find an impulsive movement. Impulsive movement. It is the one whereby the market moves quite strongly or heavily in one direction, covering a great distance in a short period of time. Just look at this example we have in the moment. You see in the moment the currency pair Aussie yen, and just spot impulsive movement, these big candles. These moves tell when the imbalance between the buyers and seller is strong and there is heavy participation from the big institutional side. Logically, more money can be made during these impulsive moves as they cover points or pips in less time. They are generally more volatile and thus provide us with great opportunities to get more reward with less risk since the market will stretch more easily in one direction. From the statistics, we have these statistics. If you are trading with impulsive movements in general on swing time frames, you are going to make money if you put more rules, more sophisticated rules, we'll show you a few rules how we are making money with swing strategies. Please again check this example of the yen and just spot these impulsive movements and how this currency pair is holding its main direction with impulsive movement. Horizon levels to open trades. After years of trading and working with the levels, we found in our trading team that the best way how to work with the levels is based on spotting accumulation of big players. It is the safest method how you can trade. Why is this the safest method? Conventional technical analysis work with support and resistance levels as the levels of rejection of the price. However, it is better to think about the market in way how it works. Price is moving because of activity of traders, but can be controlled by massive money flow. And it is necessary to think about the markets from the position of institutional smart money traders. As you may know, these are the players who are making main profits. The most majority of money flows go to their pockets. Big players care about liquidity in case of gaining their position. It's more likely that they will get filled full size at good price levels in the zone of consolidations. Why consolidation? Good question. Consolidation represents the place of order assembly. For example, one of common techniques is putting stop loss on break even after price goes in trader's favor. Smart money player knows that and he can use this information for his benefit, for scaling his position while he's taking weak player stop losses. Our system can spot these actions and take advantage of that. Therefore, our system is very progressive and successful. In the webinar, I will talk more deeply about this technique and how we can use it on the real markets. Let's look at our recording of Forex Tester to show you more deeply how we are using this technique. Definitely enjoy it. It will be very easy to understand then. GPUSD for our time frame, and now we can check how market will be reacting on our impulsive zone. In the moment you see that market is going to this zone directly and flip. From conventional technical analysis, we can expect some bounce from that level, and it happened. But some naive traders could just open the trade directly here to speculate to refreshing its higher high in the moment, and we'll see what is going to happen. And now you see that this currency pair is penetrating this consolidation, and probably some more smart traders are going to push this price to this consolidation level to use orders of this consolidation to gain their position, because we have still a high probability that in the end market should retest its high. So now it is only about the timing and identifying our proper high low. And now you've just seen what happened in the end. Just going to the zone, our key impulsive level zone of our system horizon, market just rejected price and going up with impulsive movement, meaning that this is liquidity which was used to gain the position and make profit from stop loss orders. Now we see another push to the level, and for us it's good sign if there will be bounce and our horizon entry timing pattern. It's really good sign to open for sure with high probability the position. And let's look what will happen. Now I just opened the position. You see that our entry level is this green line. Stop loss is below consolidation, and here at higher high swing we see that this is our main take profit which we would like to speculate on. This is our stop loss and this is our take profit. So we have positive risk reward ratio, really nice opportunity to open trade, and in long term if you will be trading like that you should make money for sure. Our profit, you can see here how it is now gaining the profit. Now you see open profit around $1,800 you see now, and how it is easy to trade. You just put your order, wait few days, and now you have this gain in the moment, and let's look how it will work out in the end. And our take profit was hit in the moment, and let's look at the result. And our result, you can see here, we made $2,684 just trading easy our pattern, and we left our position open for a few days. We didn't touch stop loss and take profit, and we just let our money walking. Let's look at another currency pair, GBP-Yen, and you see that we select this consolidation level. Conventional technical analysis would use this level for opening short position. I would wait a little bit, and what will happen in the moment, because we have these few consolidation levels. I will show you. First one is this one for opening trades. Second one is this red one, and third one is that one. We can use these ones for opening smart money trades with high probabilities on our side. So let's move chart further, and you see that now we have retest, and now you see penetration to the consolidation, and using stop losses of these players here to gaining position probably. And in the moment, I've seen that it is true. Weak players use this liquidity now, putting market again to the downtrend. You see that the institutional side is in control. In the moment, it means that bears are in control. Our priority direction with impulsive movement down here and here should be with downtrend. Now I just opened the trade. You see that I use higher stop loss and stop loss above, and I'm speculating for, let's say, bigger trade, which could take few days in line with our swing strategy. And again, you can see our open profit here. Let's speed it up a little bit, because this is why we are using this forex tester, to show you how it is working in, let's say, on real-time chart. So very speeded up. Okay, holding position for a few days in the moment, you see, and we are just in open profit, $1,400. Now we are in downtrend, and we could hold this position a little bit longer because we don't see the sign of weakness in the moment. But just you see that in a few days we are in open take profit, and I decided to close the trade because now it should be end of the week, and I just hold the trade for a few days in a week, and time to close it. Let's look at our result, and we made $1,130 trading simple trade strategy, Horizon X swing trading strategy with our one pattern. It's very easy to trade in the end, as you see.
As you have just seen, we just show you how we are using swing horizon strategy, and you can use it for yourself. Just bet your money on our pattern, and you will see how your money will be working for you meanwhile you are doing something else. If you are interested into our horizon strategy, don't miss this webinar. Just smash the link below this video, and again, after filling the form, I will be glad to see you there. I will be happy to answer any question you will ask us. So don't miss this opportunity and learn our strategy and our pattern, how we are making money on the market. Also reminding, don't forget to subscribe us on our socials like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter for our trading content, which will help you to be a better trader. Definitely weekly results with real money, real trades breakdowns, articles about general situation on the markets, or also important articles for your trading development, like trading techniques, different kind of trading strategies and so on, indicators, price action, really interesting stuff for you for free. And if you had any question during this video, I hope that I will read your question in the comment section below. And if you like this video, I hope that you already like the button there. So I believe this is all for the video, and meanwhile I wish you take the best week trades on whatever markets you trade.